Okay, guys, now the lotion is all bottled up, and this is a very huge bottle. So now you just give it a little. Did I unlock it? I don't think I unlocked it. There we go. So now that it is all done, we're just going to give it a little push. Get it pumped up in there. There we go. And we're going to rub it on. Oh my God. Woo, it smells great. And it goes on like an oily feel. But once it moisturizes into the skin, it's going to leave that. And this, I don't even know why I'm putting this all over my body. It's man fragrance, but oh well. But once it goes on the body, it's going to go in and moisturize the skin really good. Because remember, it's cocoa butter, shea butter, vitamin E, a little bit of castor oil. And of course your what is it, fragrance oil, and then a little bit of cosmetic coloring to change the color. I like to have my lotion instead of just being a white. So here we go, guys. It is all bundled up and ready to go. And then I also put it in a little smaller container. I didn't realize that this container was this large. This is a very, very large container. And this one, I put it in one of these. So now we're just going to let it be. See it? Oh, smells delicious. We're going to let it be. Let it sit. And that's it to making your homemade lotion at home. Bye-bye.